This video will show you how to replace the air filter on a Toyota Matrix. This will be located on the driver's side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Overall, this is going to be fairly simple. We're looking for the air filter housing located just behind our vehicle's battery. We're going to dislodge the upper housing from the lower housing. For that, you're going to find you have two locking clips. One here, one just behind it. After that, go ahead and take hold of the housing. We're going to lift up in the area that has those locking clips, and then we're going to pull it towards the driver's side, lifting it up and away. Now we can gently lift this up. We only need to go far enough to be able to remove that air filter. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course we're going to make sure we clean and inspect the mounting area. Just have a quick peek inside this area, confirm there's no acorns or miscellaneous debris. And now we can install our brand new air filter. Looking at this, you're going to find that one of the corners is squared off in comparison to the other rounded corners. The square corner is going to go on the forward driver's side. We'll gently lift this up, slide it in. Now as we bring this down, we have to focus on the inboard side, closest to the engine. We're going to line this up, I'm going to press it towards the engine, and then I'll swing this side down. Now once you have that in, we're going to continue on pressing the upper housing down as far as possible, and then lock it in. Double check to make sure it's secured. You do not want any dirty air making its way into the engine. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.